we'll try this Nature's Taste of Nature green tea with jasmine. Okay. Okay. Bags. It's also sealed inside. Okay, let's open this one. Ayun, so 20 bags. Really smell like jasmine. I'll get one na try natin. So, Nature's. Okay, yan natin yung water. Let's put some water. Okay, here it is. I tried smelling it and the aroma is familiar. Parang sampagita, if you know sampagita. It's a white small flower. It smells like this. This one is tasteless, but it sure relaxes your inner, and the aroma is very strong. It's like sampagita, because I'm not used to the smell of the jasmine, pero with sampagita, and they're just the same, white, also white, small there. So you'll enjoy this tea. Thank you again for watching. Hope you like my review with this Nature's Taste of Nature green tea with jasmine. Bye.